Hello guys, welcome to Tech Doctor. In this video, we are gonna unboxing the new iPhone 14. The new iPhone 14 doesn't seem very new at first glance. The design is pretty much identical to the iPhone 13, including the notch, and the chip is last year's A15 Bionic from the iPhone 13 Pro series. The pricier iPhone 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max seemingly get all the cool new toys such as the dynamic island and an always-on display. But there's more to this flagship than meets the eye. The iPhone 14 features a new camera system that delivers better low-light performance and a faster and brighter true depth camera with autofocus. On the video front, there's new action mode for super steady footage. Add in some handy safety feature like crash detection and emergency SOS via satellite, and you have a formidable flagship. But should you buy the iPhone 14 or wait for the bigger iPhone 14 Plus? The iPhone 14 has a release date of September 16. The starting price for the iPhone 14 is $800 for the base 128GB model. You can step up to 256GB for $899 or 512GB storage for $1,099. The iPhone 14 design is not what I'd call fresh, it's basically a carbon copy of the iPhone 13, complete with the notch. Don't get me wrong, the aluminum and glass body is solid and fairly attractive, and you get the same tough ceramic shield front and tough glass back, along with IP68 water resistance. But you will probably be jealous when you see the iPhone 14 Pro's dynamic island, which replaces the notch with a smaller and interactive cutout for alerts and live activities. The iPhone 14 colors are midnight starlight blue, purple, and red. The iPhone 14 remains compact and fairly light, weighing 6.07 ounce and measuring 5.78 into 2.82 into 0.31 inches. That's actually a bit lighter than the iPhone 13's 6.17 ounces, although that model was a slightly thinner 0.30 inches. In a somewhat controversial move, Apple removed the SIM card slot from the iPhone, relying on eSIMs only. Fortunately, it's easy to add a line of service in the Settings app. You can have up to 8 SIMs on your phone with 2 active at any given time. There are some smaller and international carriers that don't yet support eSIM, but the technology is gaining traction.